This message is transmitted at the request of the Van Buren County Emergency Management Agency. A site area emergency has been declared at Palisades Nuclear Power Generating Station due to a partial meltdown of the reactor. At this time, the danger of civilians being exposed to radiation is low. However, all schools within a 10-mile radius of Palisades are advised to enact their established emergency protocols. All residents within a 10-mile radius are advised to shelter in place, move to a basement or interior room, seal all windows, doors, and vents. If your child is at school, do not attempt to pick them up, as they are being transported to a safe location. Most importantly, do not call 911. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. Repeating, a partial meltdown has occurred at the Palisades Nuclear Power Generating Station. All residents within 10 miles of the plant are advised to shelter in place at this time. Radiological hazard warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Van Buren County Emergency Management Agency. The situation at the Palisades Nuclear Power Generating Station has been escalated to a general emergency. The partial meltdown has escalated to a complete meltdown, and several hydrogen explosions have occurred at the plant. The explosions have caused a containment breach of the reactor containment building, and radiation is currently leaking into the air. All citizens within 10 miles of the power plant are strongly advised to evacuate to an area outside the 10-mile radius. Gather enough food and drink to last 14 days. Wear a face mask when you evacuate if possible. Evacuate via the most direct route as possible. Do not attempt to pick up loved ones from schools or hospitals. These locations have protocols in place to transport people to safe areas. If you need assistance evacuating, call 1-0-8-3-5-7-2. Repeating, a general emergency has been declared due to a containment breach. Evacuate immediately.
The National Weather Service out of Grand Rapids, Michigan has issued a tornado warning for Van Buren County, Michigan at 3:25 p.m. Doppler radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado in South Haven, Michigan. This storm is moving east at 40 miles per hour. This storm will be in Bangor in 15 minutes. Radioactive material released by the Palisades disaster will be carried by this storm. The area that is affected by dangerous levels of radiation will be extended another 10 miles. Hazard, tornado and radioactive material. Source, radar indicated, impact. Mobile homes and poorly built structures will be destroyed. Downed trees and power wires will make travel dangerous. Radiation will pose a threat to life. Action. Shelter in a basement, or interior room on the lowest floor of your building. If your shelter is destroyed, move to a new shelter as quickly as possible. Discard of all contaminated clothing and belongings. Decontaminate your body as soon as you arrive by showering if possible. Otherwise, continue to shelter in place. Do not leave your shelter if it is intact. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for Van Buren County. Take cover now.